Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James, aka Wisma, and karibu sana to another cleaning video. Today I'll be focusing on my entryway, my living room, and also I'll show you how I clean my shoes in the machine without kuharibika, and also my bin, how I keep my bin smelling very nice in the house. So karibu sana. If it is your very first time to be on this channel, I make videos of fashion, food, fitness, and lifestyle. And that if that is something that you like or something in line with what you like, consider subscribing on this channel, because that is what I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you this, I'm gonna give you that. Yes, and if you are a returning subscriber, I love you, and I love you so deeply, and you know that. You know what? Whenever I do videos and I imagine that you are watching, I always feel like I know you, like I know you for real, like you're my friend, like I can ring you and say hello, how you doing? And that's why I do these videos, because I feel like we know each other, like we know each other. Karibu sana. Today I'll be focusing on those things that I said. And by the way, I did my dining room too, but moshene yangu yote I did not put the recording button on. So yeah, sina hiyo. Kwa hivyo, let us continue with what I said today. I love cleaning when there's music in the house. I don't know who is like me. When the music is on, you can clean, wash, do, cook, as long as there is that background music playing, you feel like you're psyched up. Nani yako kama mimi? Let me know in the comment section. So I will not talk too much, because my video is straightforward. Where I need to maybe elaborate something or explain something, I will talk there. And yes, so enjoy today's video. I hope this video will motivate you to do the cleaning or to do something positive in the house. Enjoy. So after I remove everything that is needed to be removed, that the shoes za kanisa, za nyumbani, viatu zenye si za kutoka nje every other time. So I'll go in with a mop, nitatumia hot water, and then nitatumia wood detergent, and then nitatumia spray. This is disinfectant, and it has some perfume in it, so it makes the house smell very nice after you clean with it, so inatoa hiyo harufu mbaya mbaya. So yep, tuendelee ku clean. Perfume unaona nikitumia, it's air perfume, and it has a very nice smell wakati umeiweka kwa viti ama kwa finishing interior ama kwa curtains, kwa beddings, it is very nice, has very nice smell. So ndio ninatumia for today, and then I'm using my vacuum of course to kutoa hizo chafu zote zenye ziko ndani, the mchangas and everything, tuchakula tule twenye uhata huko hivyo ndani. That is what I am using. That is why I am using the vacuum, and I'm using hiyo ya brush ndio ninatumia. So I'm not going to wash the covers. I had washed them some time back, so I am not washing them today. Maybe next time when I'll be doing a deep cleaning. Today I'm just doing the normal routine cleaning. It is not like a deep cleaning today. So yeah. So on the coffee table, I am going in with gas cleaner. That is what I am using, and this one cleans very nice and very easily because it also dries very quickly. Ama it's quick. Unajua kizungu si mdomo changu. So yeah, so that is what. And by the way, when I was also cleaning my TV, that is what I used. I used the glass cleaner and the Bruro to clean my TV. It dries very nice and it cleans very fast. So I like using it. What do you use when you're cleaning your TV or your coffee table? Let me know in the comment section. And like I said, this house we will furnish together. Niki upgrade, nina ku update. Niki upgrade kitchen, niki upgrade shelf, nina ku update. Tunafanya hii kitu pamoja ama namna gani, my friend? Let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from and how you're finding my cleaning videos. I would love to know your views and also where you're watching me from. If you have not followed me on Instagram, I am there. I am Winnie James, aka no, sorry, nimezoea, aka Wisma. So on Instagram, I am Winnie James, WINNY _ James, and I'll be happy to interact with you over there. Thank you. So, and to my bin, I'm going in with baking soda. I'm also going to use the disinfectant cleaning product. I'm using Fabulosa product. It has very nice fragrance, very nice. And I'm also going in with hot water. So with this, you kill the germs, zote zinatoka zinahama, and also with that ka perfume ka fragrance kenye kanatoka from the Fabulosa product, kanaacha the bean ikinuka vizuri sana. So with kama kunakuwa na kitu ilikuwa inanuka, ilikuwa imeenda kwa bean, the bean inaachwa ikiwa very fresh wakati unaanza kuweka uchafu ingine mpya. Am I making sense? Yeah. So my friend recommended this shoe wash bag. She bought it on Amazon. I also bought it on Amazon. They came 3 of them, but one is washing in the machine, and I decided that I want to show you these bags. So that is why I did not put all of them in the machine. So they fit, one bag fits 2 shoes, but I think ukiwa na viatu za mtoi you can put pair mbili. Kwa hivyo, yeah, this is a must have. This is a must have in the house kama unaoshanga viatu na machine ama unaoshanga nguo na machine. This one zinakumudha, inakuwa safi. I'll put the link on the description box so that if you're interested, you can buy them on Amazon. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like, to share.